Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the topic is reproduction in protozoans. The topic name is reproduction in protozoans. Previous class we are discussing about the locomotion in protozoans. Locomotions in protozoans. So we are discussing about the locomotion protozoans in pseudopodias, cilias, flagellas. This kind of totally discussion to the locomotion in protozoans. Now we are discussing about the reproduction in protozoans. The topic name is reproduction in protozoans. First of all, reproduction. So in this reproduction is mainly, it is majorly two types. The reproduction is mainly how many types? It is mainly two types. The reproduction is mainly two types. The first one is asexual reproduction. The first one is asexual reproduction. And the second one is sexual reproduction. The second one is sexual reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction and the second one is sexual reproduction. The topic name is reproduction in protozoans. Reproduction is mainly two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Today we are discussing about the topic is asexual reproduction. The topic name is asexual reproduction. First of all, what is the meaning of asexual reproduction? So the asexual reproduction means a single parent cells producing to the offsprings. A single parent cell in this process means a single, for example, it is a single parent cell. It is a single parent cell. A single parent cell is producing to the offsprings. It is producing to the offsprings. A single parent cell is producing to the offsprings. These are the offsprings. These are the offsprings. A single parent cell is producing to the offsprings without involvement of the gametes. Without involvement of gametes. Without involvement of the gametes. In this process known as asexual reproduction. So what is the meaning of asexual reproduction? A single parent cell is producing to the offsprings without involvement of the gametes. In this process known as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproductions. And in this asexual reproductions of the offsprings is exact copies to their parents. Exact copies to their parents. In this reason, this kind of offsprings is totally called clones. These are processors clones. So what is clones? So the producing of the offsprings is exact copies to their parents. In this process known as clones. This process known as clones. And in this offsprings is shown to the uniparental inheritance. It is the offsprings is shown to the uniparental inheritance. So the producing of the offsprings is shown to the uniparental inheritance. What is the meaning of uniparental inheritance? Uni means single. Uni means single. So that means of this kind of offsprings is derived from the only one or single parent. It is derived from the single parents. This kind of offsprings only derived from the single parent. Single parent. So in this reason, this kind of offsprings is exhibited to the uniparental inheritance. Uniparental inheritance. So topic name is reproduction in protozoans. Reproduction is mainly two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. What is the meaning of asexual reproduction? That means of a single parent cells producing to the offsprings without involvement of the gametes. In this process known as asexual reproduction, the producing of the offsprings is exact copies to their parents. In this reason, this process is known as closed. And in this offsprings is shown to the uniparental inheritance. What is the meaning of uniparental inheritance? That means of this kind of offsprings totally is derived from the only single parent cell. Only single parent cells. In this process known as uniparental inheritance. Uniparental inheritance. Next, in this asexual reproductions is now discussions about the asexual reproductions in protozoans. Asexual reproductions in the protozoans. In this asexual reproductions of the protozoans, in this process, majorly using to the two methods. Majorly using to the how many methods? Two methods. Asexual reproductions in protozoans is using to the methods is mainly two methods. The first one is a binary fission. Binary fission. And the second one is multiple fission. Second one is multiple fission. So the asexual reproduction in protozoans majorly using to the methods is binary fission and multiple fissions. Now discussions about the topic is binary fissions. Topic is binary fission. So in this binary fission of the, it is a method is a one of the asexual reproduction in protozoans. It is a one of the method to the asexual reproductions in protozoans. So it is the method's name is binary fissions. Binary fissions. So in this binary fissions is occurs to the when the favorable conditions like climate, good climate are sources of the food and shelter at the time, the favorable times at the time the single parent cells can conduct into the method is a binary fission methods. In this process, a single cell is divided into the two daughter cells. A single cell is divided into the two daughter cells. When the favorable conditions is occurs at the time, the single parent cell is divided into the two daughter cells. Two daughter cells. And in this binary fission is also involved to the process is karyokinesis. The process name is karyokinesis. And the second one is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. What is the meaning of karyokinesis and cytokinesis? Karyokinesis means the divisions of the nucleus. In this process, the divisions of the nucleus. The divisions of the nucleus is known as a karyokinesis. And the divisions of the cytoplasm. Divisions of the cytoplasm. So the divisions of the cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. And that means of in this binary fission is also involved to the two process. Karyokinesis is also involved to the binary fission. And the cytokinesis is also involved to the binary fission. What is the meaning of karyokinesis? It is the divisions of the nucleus. What is the meaning of cytokinesis? It is the divisions of the cytoplasm. Growth process is also involved into the binary fissions. So in these favorable conditions at the time in this method, the protozoans of the single cell parent cells is divided into the two daughter cells. After it is involved to the karyokinesis and cytokinesis. After involved to the divisions of nucleus and divisions of the cytoplasm. So it is the binary fissions. Next in this binary fissions is also divided into or consisted to the two types. The first one is a longitudinal binary fission. First one is longitudinal binary fission. And the second one is transverse binary fission. Transverse binary fission. It is a very important 4 marks questions. Longitudinal binary fission and transverse binary fissions. So first of all, reproductions in protozoans. It is reproductions is mainly two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. What is the meaning of asexual reproduction? That means of a single parent cells is producing to the offsprings without involvement of the gametes. In this process known as asexual reproduction. The producing of the offsprings is exact copies to their parents. In this process known as clones. And the offsprings is shown to the uniparental inheritance. What is the meaning of uniparental inheritance? That means of this kind of offsprings totally derived from the only single parent cell. Next, now discussions about topic is asexual reproductions in protozoans. It is mainly consists of the how many methods? Two methods. So first one is a binary fission and the second one is a multiple fission. Now discussions about the binary fission. So in this binary fission, it is one of the asexual reproduction in protozoans of the method. So in this binary fission, when the favorable conditions is occurs at the time, the single parent cells is divided into the two daughter cells. The single parent cell is divided into the two daughter cells, and in this process is also involved into the karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So karyokinesis means divisions of the nucleus, and cytokinesis means divisions of the cytoplasm. Next, in this binary fission is also consist of the two types: longitudinal binary fission and transverse binary fission. These are totally 4 marks questions, very important 4 marks questions. Next today we are discussing about the longitudinal binary fission and transverse binary fissions.